Hi, this is a how-to guide for ledgers and accounting module. This time, I will teach you how to create a debt ledger. We will do this by setting up an HMO ledger. This is how we're going to set up an HMO debt ledger. We will take 5 steps. First, we'll create a ledger called Medicard HMO. Second, we will use the cashier terminal to create a payment to Medicard HMO ledger. Third, we will download a store ledger document statement of account that will act like a billing statement for Medicard HMO. Fourth, we'll create a credit transaction called Medicard monthly bill. This is to simulate a payment made from Medicard to our account. And then fifth, we will create a custom tags to organize the view for your transactions. In Dashlabs, go to stores, go to store ledgers, and click create. Type the name of the ledger, Medicard HMO. Select the type. This time we're going to choose debt. Debt ledgers are best used for HMO and corporate clients. Essentially, third-party organizations partnered with you that often pay for your patient's services. To save, click create. And from here, we have a Medicard HMO ready. We're done with the first step. The next step is to use the cashier terminal to create a payment to Medicard HMO ledger. So here, we simply go to cashier and transact a patient. If your prices are set up correctly, you can also have a price specific for HMO. In this case, a basic 5 PEME APE Medicard HMO price 1,500, which is significantly more expensive than the regular price of 850. From here, let's go to payment, go to other, and now we can search for the Medicard HMO ledger that we've created. From here, you're also able to drag and drop file, maybe to upload LOAs, guarantee letters from the HMO provider of the patient. Just click add, and from here, check out. From here, go to store ledger, the Medicard HMO. And as you can see, we have the 1,500 transaction for patient Himatra Miguel. If I open this, I'm also able to see the store order of this patient and the products that they have availed. We are done with step 2, using cashier terminal to create a payment to the Medicard HMO ledger. We'll go to the third thing. How do you download a store ledgers document for the statement of account of your HMO client? So from store ledgers, select the ledger, click download, and filter data. From here, we will choose a SOA for partners HMO. Fields are required. I can input dynamic fields since this is a billing statement, such as the reference number prepared by name and the approved by name. From here, click next and generate. The generated document will look something like this. Billing statement, patient list, the reference number, the prepared by and approved by name, the total amount due, the patient name, and the type of examination that they've availed, the amount, the total again, and your payment details, where your third-party organization can transfer the money so that you could record their payment. So that finishes third step, which is download store ledgers document for statement of account. Fourth step is to create a credit transaction called Medicard monthly bill. This is so we could simulate a payment made by Medicard to your organization. So in store ledgers, simply select the ledger, click create, and click credit. Again, credit types are transactions, best for money in. things like sales and payments made to you. The amount, proof of transaction, and click create to save. And once saved, as you can see, the debt amount clears up from minus 1.5 to total 1.5. That is how you create a credit transaction for your ledgers so that you're able to track payments made to your account. Now, we will cover the last part of this feature, which is creating custom tags to organize the view for your transactions. Custom tags are very helpful so that you have a way to organize and have a quick view of the purposes or the status of each transaction that you see in your store ledger. This is applicable for the cash book type ledger also. So you just go to the store ledger that you want, in this case, the Medicard HMO, click update, and click create tag. And here we could put things like requested, choose the color, rejected because incomplete documents. Put it as red, and even maybe perhaps approved. From here, with the custom tags I've just created, I can tag transactions such as requested and approve. So that's our last step. So we've gone through creating an HMO debt ledger and how to use the ledgers in accounting module to track HMO transactions. Thank you.